Hello students, direction matters more than the speed. Okay, it doesn't mean you will study each and every time and anywhere. Okay, but you should study up those model which is necessary for your class, for your success in this year. Your chapter number 5 arithmetic progression with you. Before starting your next exercise, I will explain the formula how you find the sum of the anthem of arithmetic progression. Okay, so in previous video I explained number of terms means an is equal to a plus d, comma dot 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 a plus and minus 1 d. Okay, this is a series where n terms are given. If you will write, find the sum of this series as is equal to a plus d plus dot 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 a plus and minus 1 d. Okay, this sum of this and first n term of series. Now write this is the first equation. Now write your n term of series in reverse order. And in reverse order, then you will get in reverse order. You are writing this series in reverse order. That means a plus n minus 1 d plus a plus n minus 2 d plus. Okay, first write series, then we will find some dot 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 a plus d comma a. Means I have written this series in reverse order. Then find sum. Sum means a plus n minus 1 d plus a plus n minus 2 d plus dot dot a plus d plus a. Means last term here, this is last term, and here this was first term. Okay, this is equation number second. Add equation first and equation second. Add both equation. Okay, then how? First write equation first is a plus d plus dot dot a plus and minus 1 d. Okay, and here write second equation, that is a plus and minus 1 into d plus a plus and minus 2 d plus dot 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 a plus d plus a. Add it. You will add according to the term. Okay, here when you will add first term, if this is first term, okay, in this series this was first term. When you will first term in this series, in last this first term, because in this series this is the first term, and here this was the first term. When you will add this a in this term, then you will get 2a plus a 2a and plus and minus 1 into d. Okay, plus. Now when you will add second term with in this series of the second term, then you will add a plus a 2a plus and d. Here when you will open this term, you will write like this: a plus and d plus minus d. When you will open, you can write this term is and d not into 2d. Okay, and d minus 2d. And when you will add a plus d, A plus D, then you will get 2A plus and D, and plus D minus 2D means minus D. Then when you will take common D as a common and minus 1D, again you will get 2A plus and minus 1D. Okay. Similarly, plus dot 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 here. When you will add last term with this last term of this series, then again you will get 2A plus and minus 1 into D. Now, see, after adding equation 1 and second, we are getting 2A plus and minus 1D. Okay. Next term is 2A plus and minus 1D. Next term is 2A plus and minus 1D. Next term is 2A plus and minus 1D. It means all terms are same. It means we are getting these terms n times. Okay, these terms are n times. Then you will get 2s is equal to how many times you are getting? N times. N times. What you are getting n times? A plus and minus 1 into t. Okay. Then so 2s is equal to not 2s transpose 2 in denominator of RHS is s is equal to n upon 2 in bracket a plus to a plus and minus 1 into g. Okay, here is the 2. Then this is the formula of first n term. This sum of the first n term of the series. Now it can be written just like a. 2a can be written a plus and minus 1 into d. Here you can see a plus and minus 1 into d. N is equal to a plus and minus 1 into d. It means a plus and minus 1 into d is the n term of series, means an. So you can write an in the place of a plus and minus 1 into d, then s is equal to n by 2 a plus. At the place of a plus and minus 1 into d, you can write a. So, in previous video I have explained that is an is also called last term, means n last term. So you put the value of an as is equal to n by 2 a plus. You can write n in place of an means n. When n is given, means last term is given, then you will find the sum of first n term is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Okay, so another formula is with the help of this formula you will solve. Okay, so let us see few examples and otherwise exercise. Exercise 5.3, question number first is find the sum of the following APs. Okay, so part number second of the first question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and so on to the 12 terms. Means here number of terms are 12. Means n is equal to for that solution, that is important. Just like before you eat the food before eating. Okay, now number of terms means n is equal to 12. First term a is equal to minus 37. Common difference d is second term minus first term, second term is minus 33. Minus first term is minus 37. Then you will get minus 33. Minus plus 37. Then common difference is plus 4. Common difference is plus 4. Okay. So now you have value of n, a, d. Then find sum of n term. Write the formula. S is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference, that is d. And number of terms are 12 by 2. 2 into first term a is minus 37 plus in bracket n minus 1 number of term is 12 minus 1 into common difference d is 4. Close the bracket. 2 under 2, 2 6 are 12 means 6. Plus into minus means minus. 37 2s are plus 12 minus 1 means 11 into 4. 6 minus 74 plus 11 4 jar 44. 6 into 74 minus 44 means minus 30. Now 6 into minus 30 means minus 180. Okay. So sum of the 12 series of 12 term is minus 180. So sum of the series is equal to minus 180. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. So next question, find the sums given below. So series is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 and so on, and last term is minus 230. Okay, here first term a is minus 5 and common difference d is second term minus first term, second term is minus 8 minus first term minus 5. Then minus 8 minus plus 5, then you will get minus 3 is a common difference, and write 230. It is this term is written in last, and after that there are no term. It means this is a last term, that is L, that is 230 minus 230. Now you have first term, common difference, last term, and apply in the formula of sum of first term. S is equal to n minus 1 a plus n. A plus n. Then n number of terms are number a plus wait students, first you will find value of n because number of terms are not given. Okay, so first find number of terms. N is equal to, with the help of the formula L is equal to, because last term is given, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. With the help of this formula you will find the number of terms n. Value of L is minus 230 is equal to a minus 5 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. Minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so when you will transport minus 5 in LHS, then it will become plus 5 is equal. Okay, now solve it. Minus 230 plus 5 means minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 in one bracket into minus 3. Now, transpose minus 3 in denominator of LHS, then minus 225 upon minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Here, minus minus cancel, 225 upon 3. When transpose minus 1 in LHS, it will become plus 3 is equal to n. So n is equal to take 3 as a LCM, 225 plus 3, then you will get 228 upon 3. It means value of n is equal to 228. Now put the formula s is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus l. Okay. Then n, value of n is 228 upon 3 into 2 in bracket, first term a is minus 5 plus and last term is minus 230. Now divided 2 under 2, 2 under 2, 2 under 2, 2 4 is 8. And 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and 3 8 is 24. 38 in bracket minus 5 plus into minus is minus 230. 38 into minus 5 minus minus is plus 235 minus 235 minus 235 multiply it 235 multiplied by 38 8 5 is 20 8 3 is 24 8 2 is 16 3 5 is 15 3 3 is 9 3 2 is 6 0 3 8 and 7 and 8. So you will get 8930. So sum of the series is equal to 3989 something, not 398930. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. Question number 3. In an AP, question part number first, given A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, and AN is equal to 50, then find N and SN. SN means sum of first and term. Okay. Now, question number 3. In AP, when first term A is given common difference d is given, an is given, find n and Sn. N means find number of terms and sum of the first and term. Okay, first find n. So with the help of the formula, which formula will you apply? An. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then put the values. Value of n is equal to 50. First term a is 5 plus number of terms are not given, minus 1 into common difference d is given, that is 3. Calculate it. 50 plus 5 transformed in LHS minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 means minus 45 is equal to n minus 1 into d. 45 transpose these 3 in denominator of LHS is equal to n minus 1. 3 1 is 3 and this one is 15. 15 is equal to n minus 1 transpose minus 1 of RHS into LHS. It will become 15 plus 1 is equal to n. Then you will get value of n is equal to 16. So you have number of terms. Number of terms are 16 in the series in which you are going to find Sn, means sum of first n term. So apply the formula Sn sum of n term. So what is the formula? N by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And number of terms are 16 because earlier you have find 16 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a, first term is 5 plus in bracket n is 16 minus 1 into common difference d is 3. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 8 in bracket 2 5 is 10 plus 16 minus 1 means 50 into 3. Write a small bracket because inside if there are no brackets. 10 plus 15 is 45. 8 10 plus 45 means 55. Now multiply it. 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 44. 440. So n is equal to 16 and Sn is equal to 440. That is your answer. Okay. So in next video I will explain rest of the part of the same question. Okay. So be healthy and study hard. Thank you.